The Retroid handhelds. They are based on Android and they are very interesting in my opinion. Maybe some of you already have seen the previous model, do own it or have to think about it. Despite of the shortcomings and basically the flaws it has, it still has a very special place in my heart because it was pretty damn awesome. But we're not here to talk about the Retroid first model. We are going to talk about the Retroid Pocket 2 because it's time for a message from the future. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video I wanted to do a message from the future video because I just want to do a chit chat regarding the Retroid Pocket 2. Some of you have been asking why I didn't do a review and when it's going to come. So as you can see here on the page, the Retroid Pocket 2 on AliExpress, my place to go to for buying stuff, it's still coming soon. Yeah, still, even when I'm making and launching this video. Sadly, there is a way to get it, but it's sadly not for sale on AliExpress. If I'm looking at the store itself, you can see they got quite some different products that I really want to review, like action controllers, Joy-Cons, Bluetooth speakers. They have quite some interesting products. But okay, that may be something for a different video. But there's also a couple of other reasons why I've waited. Because with the Chinese, it's highly possible when you're buying a product, they will give you a revision. So let's talk about the specifications when I'm looking at the page of RetroDodo. Here you can see it has a 3.5-inch IPS display, 640x480, quad-core Cortex A7, it has 1GB of RAM, an AR Mali 4000 GFX and a 4000 mAh battery. So when you're looking at the specifications, I find it very interesting. But there are already some reviews out there, so if you're interested in this model, the first model they've released, you can always check the video of E3 Prime. He makes so many videos, but another YouTuber I really like to watch videos from is RetroDodo. He also did a review about it, so I will leave some links in the end thumbnail. So if you're interested in doing just seeing the review already, you can check those out. And if you don't want to wait for mine. Beside the point that this isn't for sale at the moment, the reason I also waited is because I wanted to have this GameCube version. I love it. I love this color. I think it's worth waiting. Also, and that's something you need to consider, the first version has Android version 6 and the new is going to get 8.1. And the reason I want to have a newer version, because with the newer Android version we have just more possibilities. And I have so many of these Android based stuff laying around with Android 4 or 5 or 6 that I have reached the point and I just want to have more like a newer version of Android on my handheld. Also, as you can see, the first batch was released and a lot of people were receiving those or already have received them, like the E3 Prime and RetroDodo. And yeah, I needed to wait for a very long time because the second batch will take some time. Now, what is pretty cool that you're going to get a free gift, an HDMI cable and a USB converter. But okay, so that is one of the reasons why I waited. There is no stock, there is no way to buy it. You still need to wait for a new version. And I just want to have the latest version. I'm not in a rush at the moment. I do like the way that we can hook up a Bluetooth device. So that's something that we're going to try out, like a controller for example. That's those things that we're going to do in the reviews. NetPlay function, oh man, that is really getting me excited. So they bring this to the next level when you're looking at this game console. And yeah, it's more basically in game console and handheld. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this? What do you think of this Retroid Pocket 2? Will this be the ultimate version? I don't know, because for a fact, I know that when they are releasing this handheld, there will be many new versions coming out. So saying this is the best, that's basically very dangerous in my opinion, because there are so many handheld releases in this handheld invasion. So if you didn't see the videos of RetroDodo or E3 Prime, I would say check them out. They're great reviews, awesome YouTubers, I love those guys. And yeah, this is what you're going to get with mine. It's more like a message from the future, more like an opinion, and also more like a quick update why I didn't do a review about it. Because yeah, I know it's a popular product, but I just can't find one to buy. And as you can see, they are not for sale, or more like a pre-sale. And so far I know nothing to do about. So this is what you're going to get at the moment. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell if you want to see my video in the future. Not like message from the future, but really in the future. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I'll see you in the next time.